All right, everyone. We can't keep having these tie votes. Let's try this one more time. Chris, can you please explain what we're voting on once again?
We just closed escrow on the new WRCOG headquarters, and we have to pick the new carpet color. I've researched 10 options, and you're voting on my top 2. It's between light gray and dark gray.
Okay. All those in favor of light gray, please raise your hands. Dark gray, please raise your hands.
Tie vote again.
Okay, Chris, I don't know what to do here. Do we have any rules for how to handle a tie vote?
Well, sort of. Oh. In case of a tie, all matters will be settled through BS, which will be binding on all parties.
So the answer to our problem is BS? What does that even mean? I know who to call.
Yes, it might be time to update the bylaws. BS stands for Battleship. When we founded WRCOG, the old Navy guys loved the board game so much they used it to break tie votes. But when we lost some of the pieces, we switched to human Battleship. First, you'll need 2 teams.
Right.
One representing each side of the vote. And then you'll need to train them up, and train them up good.
All right, maggots. Battleship is about a lifetime of challenges crammed into just a few minutes. You have to be able to stay cool and calm, even when those around you can't.
You call that a push-up? Did you make your bed this morning? Give it 5 more.
It's kind of like dodgeball. Each side takes turns throwing projectiles, trying to hit the opponent while avoiding getting hit.
Bend the elbow, flick the wrist.
If you can't do the little things right, you'll never do the big things right.
One more thing, to keep the element of surprise and the spirit of Battleship alive, each player must be blindfolded.
At some point, we will all confront a dark moment in life. Be your very best in these darkest moments.
Are you coming up with all of these lines on your own?
Yes. Why?
Finally, each team takes turns calling out sponsor names from that year's annual General Assembly to give a clue as to where the positions are, like a twist on Marco Polo.
Ready, go!
Sponsor Pachanga!
Wait. They call out sponsors? That's a bit random. Why General Assembly sponsors?
Value added, Kurt. After all, how else would you afford the paddleboard battleships from Beeler Aquatics?
The place at Lake Elsinore?
That is right.
If you want to change the world, find someone to help you paddle.
The battle has begun.
Well, this escalated quickly. Kurt, I don't remember seeing this in a job description.
Other duties as assigned, Andrew. The office's new carpet colors on the line. Team Dark Gray, you're up.
All right, here goes. Sponsor!
Majestic Realty! Ha! Barely missed.
What was that?
I'm getting a job in the private sector.
Sponsor!
Riverside County Executive Office!
This is for Dark Gray.
Sponsor!
BDK! Sponsor!
Mark JPA! No! You sunk my battleship!
We've been waiting here forever.
Okay, everybody. I'm happy to announce we have a break in the tie.
Thank goodness, we've been waiting for hours.
Well, what are the results?
After an intensive process, dark gray has won.
Yes!
Now we can move forward with the next item on the agenda, which is which sparkling water to stock in the fridge. All those in favor of La Croix and Topo Chico? Another tie. Rally the troops.
Yep, gotta move to the private sector.